Hi, I'm Paulo from Tupan Games, and we are here today to talk about the dungeon generator. This is not the asset spawner, but in fact, this is our first stretch and reached stretch goal. So, to use the dungeon generator, you click here on dungeon generator, and you can do this, and it generates a dungeon. Okay, it has no dressing at all. Okay, and but it's since everything it's can be changed here in with environments. See our environment video, and it has some very interesting parameters. I will change this to 100 size and the number of rooms to 40 and the size of the room to 5 to 10 and the sparseness reducer to 0.3. It will take some time, okay, but as you may see, it could generate very large and interesting dungeons, okay, for you to populate. And it's not the asset spawner yet, but it has its uses. So happy dungeoneering. One a, a word to the wise: do not take these things to the limit because it will explode your computer. The game will simply crash. Go easy on it. Change numbers, make small changes in numbers, and so on. Thank you.